Today we are visiting my sister's farm. It is late morning, close to noon. The sun is warm and soft breeze moves through the mango trees. Around us, the puppies playing. The chickens walk slowly underground. They look for food in the soil under the trees. Some friendly dogs are sitting near us. They look calm and relaxed in the shade. A small puppy comes close to me. It tries to jump up to touch my hand. The puppies are playful and full of joy. We laugh softly together. The wind is blowing gently. Birds and animals make quiet, natural sounds. Moments like these are simple but very special. Now let us enjoy this peaceful time together with the calm sounds of the farm. Anh mau để ta nụ bếp lại sky lại nụ nằm mùi khơi ta tập chơi nằm tập mùi mau ô này 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 ấy đây đây tọp bỏ bơ thế
nơi xa thôi nhưng cái này chín ấy cái ngợp mà một ráng cái ngợp chín mai ngợp chín màu một muối nơi sáng sáng
rồi là lưu từ cho ta nào ở hàng ta đào
Thank you so much, all my dear friends, for spending this peaceful late morning with us. Sometimes the most beautiful moments in life are the quiet ones we share with the nature. Chú chẳng chập lạp mà